Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2018 Mitsubishi ASX LS, stock reference number 4767. The shape runs from the 7th month 2010 and is the current shape. It has a 4B11 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. 4B11 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front and the rear. It's fitted with 18-inch factory alloy mags. Left front has a good tyre, left power door mirror. Left front door appears to have no damage. Left rear, 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the rear parcel shelf. Right rear, 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has one small dent. Right front door has one small dent. Right power door mirror. And a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black leather center console lid, manual type console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, media player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.